Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to create temporary email on internet.
So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to Google and just type here temp mail, and after that just click on search button. So now here you can find multiple websites that are providing temporary mail service. So simply just click on this, and after that we will open another one. So simply just open this. So here you can see this is our temporary mail. So simply you can copy this email here. You can also refresh page to get your receiving code or something email, and here you can change this email. Here you can delete this email. So when you change or delete this mail, new email will be created here. So now we will show another website. Simply here you can also set, so here you can also check that change email, refresh email, auto fresh email. So here you can also use this email. You can also change this email. So in this way you can create a temporary email on internet.